Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are doing a brow tutorial because it's spring, but guys, guys, what kind of YouTuber would I be if I didn't make a precise and detailed brow tutorial? Okay, it's not very in detail, but anyway, I'll try. So anyway, I'm starting off with the products that I use to do my brows. All these products can be gotten from Essence, which is available at Clicks, Discam, Edgar's, whatever you wanna, or wherever you wanna get it. Okay, so here, this is the same brow pencil, and it's just in two different shades. I wanted a lighter shade, but this one, guys. But you know what, I'll make it work because I bought it with my own money. It's definitely too light, and I just wanted two different shades of the same pencil so that I can create depth in my brow and also not have a brow that's too dark. Like I don't like a very dark brow. Anyway, let's get started with the actual tutorial. So I brushed my brow hairs up, as you can see, or as you saw, and then I outlined the natural shape of my brow. So the guideline that you can use to do your brows is this one that I'm showing right now, where you measure out the beginning of your brow using the bridge of your nose, the arc of your brow using the pupil, the middle of your pupil, and then the end of your brow measuring using the corner of your eye. Yes. Woo. Okay, so you do that and you then draw the shape that you want. Let me tell you, people with thin brow hairs or thin brows, guys, please don't just draw like a line or make like something blocky that just fits the actual thin brow that you naturally have. As you can see, my brows are quite thick, not thick, but they are thick. But also you can see that I have some sparseness, especially at the top of this brow specifically. But I didn't draw any way to fill in this sparse brow. So please work with your brows and not against them so you can look very cute. I'm so sorry for this angle, just by the way. I can't see when I'm doing my brows because I get lost, guys, so that's why I'm like all over the place. But yeah, anyway, I outlined my brows with that darker brow pencil, and then now I'm filling in with what was supposed to be a lighter shade. And you probably saw, but I also brushed my brow hairs down just so I can also draw a nice line on the top, and I can really make sure that I'm dispersing the product properly, also by brushing through the brows after every product application. Now I'm using the first brow pencil that I used to create hair-like strokes, and you can end off here or you can carry on like I did, making thin brow-like hairs with your eyebrow pen. This is also from Essence. And after every step, guys, it's very important that you brush through the product. I don't like a blocky brow, and a blocky brow is created by the fact that you're not brushing your product through. Regardless of the fact that it looks like your product is going away, you're just dispersing it and you're creating a good brow compared to a blocky brow with tons of product build up in one place. Yeah. So anyway, setting the brow hairs, I use Got2b gel, as you saw. You can use a brow gel, but honestly, I feel like if you have hair gel that won't break you out and that I've used this one, so honestly, I recommend it. Got2b actually has a brow gel, like an actual brow gel, but I can't recommend it because I've never used it. But if you want to, get that. And yeah, I use this old toothbrush and I brush my brow hairs up, and then I clean up the gel residue with this cotton pad. Okay, concealing. So I'm using this flash concealer brush. Another brush that you can actually use is an eyebrow brush because of how thin it is, and it'll help you apply a little product at a time if you are still getting the hang of things. Here I'm using a skin tone concealer color, and I'm just carving out the bottom of my brows, and then I'm going to follow up with a lighter concealer shade just from where the arc is, so I can have a highlighted brow, because I love a highlighted brow, highlighted with concealer and not powder highlighter. So that's what I will be doing for my brow. And then I will take some of the concealer, as you saw at some point here. I'll take some of the concealer, the skin tone concealer, and put just a little on the beginning of my brow, and then blend that concealer into my brow, just so it creates a little more natural look. I don't know, the concealer and the dark brow products mixing together creates hair-like strokes, like natural hair-like strokes. I know it's like you are working backwards because you apply product and you remove it, but it's really just part of the process. Just trust the process, guys. Trust the process. It's called blending and making everything work together. So that's what I'm doing at this point. Yeah, and this is how my brow turned out. Oh wait, damn, I'm being too fast. Yeah, I blend also the lighter concealer, and then with concealing the top, I concealed it when I was doing my makeup. But typically I don't conceal. This brow was just not feathered enough for my liking, so that's why I decided to conceal it. But you'll do that to your own discretion. You can either leave it like this and just apply your foundation and everything else is normal and it works out, or you can conceal the top, apply your foundations and all, and then you'll be Gucci. Just FYI, when you're concealing the top, use a skin tone concealer shade or use your foundation color. As you can see, I'm using the first concealer I went in with to conceal just this edge. I didn't conceal it right away, but this is just what I actually show in this video, to be specific. And yeah, the brow came out pretty cute. This is my other brow, just showing you again how I blended it out, just blending some of that darker concealer into my brow, and it looks much more natural and cuter, honestly. And yeah, blending the other concealer, and I fixed my brows because they weren't sisters, and this is how they turned out. They are so cute. It's quite simple, guys. Sit down and practice. Let's have good brows, my sisters. Let's have good brows. Thanks for watching. Until next time.